So here's the one CD player. This part's the mixer. This is the other CD player. You should notice both of these are the same. So what I'm going to do is show you the functions on this one, and you can apply that to that as well. Basically, track search changes the track number. It's how you pick the song you want. So you look at your CD, you decide what song you want. I want song 6. Lovely. It loads up. It shows me how long I've got remaining on that track. If I press time mode, it shows me how long I've had on that track. Switching between. If I press and hold this time mode, it's a different function. Again, I'm going to come to that later. Search, as opposed to track search, is fast forward, rewind. If you're lost in your track, just press track search, you find it again from the beginning. You may see this grey varying graph here and this green line here. The grey is a very simple representation of how loud the song is, and the green is whereabouts you're up to. So if I fast forward again, you'll see the green lines move forward, meaning I'm further into the track. On the more modern units, you get far superior waveform displays that give you much more information, but as we said, we still trust these ones because they're built solid.